Here we are looking at a gaming centric IEM from EPZ priced at again 45 dollars. This one is their G20. G20 comes in various colors. This one is a DD based IEM2 if I'm not wrong. Let's have a look at the silicon PU composite 10 mm dynamic driver EPZ G20. If you look at the graph, it looks fairly balanced. No hiccups or anything like that, nothing sharp or anything, but yes, this one is fairly balanced, and the dip is fairly small too, at around I think 10 dB. So this one is supposed to be a very balanced sounding gaming oriented IEM2. So let's open it up and we will see what are the stuff we are getting with the G20 here. Looks nice, looks very good to be precise. Comes in a variety of colors. I'm not exactly sure which color it is. Yeah, you can see this one looks interesting, very good to be precise. Nice, looks good. This teal blue color looks nice, and we are getting a good looking 3.5 mm cable with a mic in it. It can be used for calls and gaming and that kind of stuff. This cable looks nice, much better than the Kiwi Ear IEMs. Let's have a look at the rest of the accessories here. Storage box. I'm expecting a pair of an extra pair of cable. Here we get a teal blue and transparent kind of ear tips, and this is fantastic to be precise. We are getting a mic cable, a proper mic cable with type C input. Okay, so this is going to be a fantastic gaming oriented IEM to be precise. I'll compare it with a couple of IEMs, but I do not have any gaming IEM yet. I will compare it with KZ ZS12X Pro and Fine Clean, and we will see how this one will work. It comes with the remote control too, and this mic looks fantastic. I'm not exactly sure how comfortable this mic will be, but we will see. In any case, it comes with a adapter for PC, so you can use it for PC gaming too. Sounds very interesting to be precise, and for just $50 you are getting a lot here. Two high quality cables. This cable too looks fantastic and can be used with your run of the mill kind of mobile phone that has a 3.5 mm jack, while this one can be used with nearly any mobile phone with a type C port, which most of the mobile phones these days have. So this one is going to be a very interesting kind of IEM. So yep, I'll include the initial impression within this video. So this is it. This is the unboxing of EPZ G20. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy. I had a decent listening session with the EPZ G20. Now this is a gaming oriented IEM. It comes with a 3.5 mm cable, a type C cable with volume controls. This one too has volume control and that kind of stuff, and has a proper boom mic, very much like a gaming headphone. This goes in here. Let me show you guys. This goes in here and you are good to game. IEM goes in this direction in the ear, and this one is fairly comfortably placed near the mouth. So very good, I will say, setup for a gamer. Type C cable can be used with your laptop or anything that has a type C audio output. So this is a proper gaming IEM, and priced at just $50. This is a fantastic bargain in my opinion. Look at the cables. These are not the cheap kind. They do not have a lot of memory, and what I really like about this cable is not only looks good, you can see this does not have a lot of memory to it. It's not like it is stiff or anything like that. It is not bouncy or anything. So it is a very good cable for just $50. And if this IEM was bad looking, I would have thought, okay, this does not look good or anything like that. But this comes in catchy colors. Okay, I can understand that not everyone is going to love this kind of colors, but we are all about the sound quality, not the design. But you guys can see the build quality is very good, no issues there. It's not big, it's not huge or anything like that, and has a semi-custom kind of design too. So the fit and everything is fantastic. It does not exert much pressure on the ear either, and is very comfortable inside the ear. Stability and stuff are very good. I'm liking the way this IEM fits inside the ear. And the biggest part, sound quality. I was initially not exactly convinced that this will sound fantastic, but to my amusement, this 10 dynamic driver IEM with an impedance of 32 ohm is just simply outstanding. I will say EPZ has struck gold with the G20. This one is what nearly every casual listener looks forward to. Okay, EPZ G20 has the bass. This one has very good bass performance. It has the sub bass, it has the mid bass body, it has the thump, it has the rumble, and it has the hits. Very good. It's not like it is muddy either. So the area of impact is big, but it's not very slow or lacking definition or anything like that. It has very good amount of control too. It's not like it is boomy or muddy or anything like that. So that is a very good thing about this IEM. It has very good control. I'm really liking the dynamic abilities of this IEM. Two layer delivery and stuff are good. You cannot expect a lot from a $50 IEM in that regard, but it still is fantastic, fantabulous in my opinion. It sounds very good. It's kind of is a slightly bassy IEM, even though if we look at the graph, it kind of looks flattish. Okay, 110 dB. It's at 105. So it in the graph it does not look bassy, but it is kind of a bassy, punchy IEM. I will not say bassy, but it's a more punchy kind of IEM. Okay, it has the punchy feeling to it, and I'm really liking the mid-range clarity too. It's not like it is sharp or thin or anything like that like KZ IEMs. KZ IEMs at times tend to deliver unnatural mid-range. Okay, the tonality and timbre of KZ IEMs are not exactly great, but this one is fantastic. My god, I was expecting it to be slightly lacking somewhere, but somehow down the line this one is not lacking at all. Yes, this is not my final verdict, this is the initial impression, but it has a fantastic impression on me. I'm liking the tonality, I'm liking the timbre, I'm liking the definition and resolution. I have no issues with the cohesion either. It's a very cohesive and fairly accurate sounding IEM. I am loving the triple two. It's not the most extended. Okay, you cannot get a lot of extension, but the layering and separation of this IEM is very impressive. I'm liking the clarity. I'm liking the air between the instruments. I'm liking the way it is stacking the instruments one over another, and it's a very good sounding IEM. Staging, staging too is very good. Cue placement and stuff are fantastic. I am loving this IEM to say the least. This is a very good IEM. Doesn't matter if you are gamer, if you are not a gamer, if you are a casual listener or anything like that. This is a fantastic sounding IEM with very good clarity across the spectrum. And if you are a gamer, it's a bonus. It comes with a type C cable, but this cable is a bit too long. Yet it's a high quality IEM with very good set of accessories. So this is it. This is my initial impression. I'll post the review soon too. So this is it. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.